Alright, so here is a video on how to remove these self-leveling tile clips that you get on Amazon if you apply them to a wall, because it says you're supposed to kick them to break them, but that doesn't work. And as you can see, you could try to bend it all you want, it's not breaking off. So I got a better solution. There's actually 3 solutions you could do. One, you can get a wood carving tool and you can melt the plastic in here on one side to get one side to break off, and then you can pull and you'll rip it off and it'll crack. Another way to do it is you can take a pair of pliers, cut it right in the middle, make sure you get all the way through. These pliers are kind of crappy, but it'll probably work still. Get in there. Regular wire snips will work better. So you make sure it's broken in half, see? And then you just pull and pull. You can get them right out. Another way I've heard of is kind of a pain, but you take these and you try to sneak in here and snip it that way, and then you can get it out. This way is the easiest way I've seen with the pliers. You could melt them like I was saying before, but it stinks, makes a mess. It works, it takes a little longer, but that's worst case scenario. But yeah, if you buy those Amazon self-leveling tile clips, you'll know they don't come off like they're supposed to.